Actually, what I saw here from India, I can say the majority part of Indians people are with Iran. They condemned the oppression. They follow justice, and they don't want war. Even I can say they are against the war. And they show their loyalty with the oppressed people, even with the children of the girls' school and the school which is attacked by United States, and they show their sympathy, their solidarity. We informed our people in Iran the sympathy and solidarity of our brothers and sisters in India, and we said that now also